Welcome to Bonbonina channel. Today we are gonna make pate et choux. Look how beautiful it is. What is a pate et choux? It's a dough and we all use it to make profiteroles, eclairs, churros, everything. Those wonderful desserts are made from this pate et choux, and I'm gonna show you how to make it. So the ingredients are really simple. I already boiled milk, water, butter, and a little bit of honey and salt. And now I'm adding my flour all at once and mixing it really fast. And it comes together really well. So that's the film I was talking about, and my dough came together really nicely. As you can see, it's coming together, and I cooked on a heat for about 3 or 4 minutes. And now I'm moving it to the bowl, to the mixer's bowl. Now I'm gonna run with the mixer just a little bit to let our dough to cool just like 1 degree. Very important part. I'm gonna put my mixer working a little bit faster, but not very high speed, and I'm gonna add my eggs one by one. Each egg should incorporate in the dough really well, and then when you see that everything is mixed really well together, then the next egg goes in there. So I have my 4 eggs in there, and when it's all incorporated, I'm gonna check how is my dough doing. Do I need more eggs or is it ready? And I'll show you in a minute how do I check it. Well, I already can see it's not ready, but I'm gonna show you. When you take your paddle or your whisk, and there is gonna be like triangle getting, not breaking down, but getting slowly like lava down in a slow motion. That means your dough is ready. At this point it's not done yet. So I am continue to add eggs. Alright, I added 5 eggs, so let's see what's happening. So you can see the difference. See how nice and smooth dough is falling from the paddle. That's what we're looking for. Now you can see how beautiful my dough is. So I'm not adding eggs anymore, and basically your dough is ready. Now you're gonna get a piping bag and pipe any shape you like. You can pipe long eclairs, or you can pipe little profiteroles and make like dessert out of it, or make a appetizers. Like I'm gonna make mousse with salmon and as appetizer I'm gonna serve it in a little profiteroles. So you can make churros, make anything you desire. So this is a base. You need to know it. So this is a base. It's very important. And in the next video I am gonna show you how I make eclairs, because eclairs, it used to be a really simple dessert with pastry cream inside, or whipping cream or meringue. Now eclairs, they took next level. Now everyone in the boutiques, they make them really fancy and really yummy and beautiful. Next video I'm gonna show you how to make really fancy eclair in your kitchen. I hope you like this video and I hope you will use this recipe. So please subscribe, ring a bell down below, and you will be getting all notification about all my videos. And the recipe is also going to be down under this video. And I'll see you in the next video.